Ever wondered how AI can assist in Python programming? As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the interest in AI-assisted programming is skyrocketing. Imagine having a tool that could not only help you code, but also learn from your coding style and suggest improvements. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's a reality presented in the book Learn AI-Assisted Python Programming with GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT. This comprehensive guide, written by experienced AI practitioners, delves into how artificial intelligence can enhance Python programming. It introduces readers to GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code generator, and ChatGPT, an advanced natural language processing model. It's not just about understanding these tools, but also leveraging them to write smarter, more efficient Python programs. Whether you're an experienced Python programmer or a newbie dipping your toes into the waters of coding, learn AI-assisted Python programming with GitHub. Copilot and ChatGPT can guide you through the exciting world of AI-assisted programming. So, what makes this book a must-read for Python programmers? Well, let's dive into the key features that make Learn AI-Assisted Python Programming with GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT stand out. This book is more than just a tutorial. It's a comprehensive guide that ushers you into a new era of programming, where artificial intelligence enhances your coding experience. One of the book's defining features is its introduction to GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code generator. This isn't just a brief overview. The authors delve deep, showing you how to harness this tool to write smarter, more efficient Python programs. They guide you through the process of using Copilot to generate code snippets, helping you navigate complex programming challenges with ease. But the book doesn't stop at code generation. It also introduces readers to ChatGPT, a cutting-edge natural language processing model. The authors demonstrate how this tool can interpret and respond to human language, streamlining communication in your coding projects. They show you how to integrate ChatGPT into your Python programs, creating a more interactive and intuitive user experience. The book is also packed with practical examples that bring AI-assisted Python programming to life. These examples aren't just theoretical, they're grounded in real-world scenarios that Python programmers encounter daily. The authors use these examples to illustrate best practices, helping you to leverage AI tools effectively in your projects. But what about the ethical considerations? This book has got you covered. The authors discuss the ethical implications of using AI in programming, including issues of privacy, bias, and accountability. They provide guidance on how to use these tools responsibly, ensuring that your programming practices are not only efficient, but also ethical. This book not only introduces these AI tools but also shows how to use them effectively and responsibly. So whether you're a seasoned Python programmer or just starting out, Learn AI-Assisted Python Programming with GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT is a valuable resource that can elevate your coding skills to new heights. But how does AI really impact Python programming, you might ask? Well, it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence opens up a world of possibilities, making Python programming not just easier but smarter too. It enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more complex problem solving. In the realm of code quality, AI tools like GitHub Copilot can generate code snippets, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving overall code quality. It's like having a co-pilot in the cockpit of your programming journey, guiding you to write more efficient and cleaner code. The book dives into real-world examples, demonstrating how AI can enhance problem-solving capabilities. It shows how using ChatGPT, a natural language processing model, can help understand and solve programming problems in a more intuitive way. With AI-assisted programming, Python programmers can push the boundaries of what they can achieve. The future of Python programming is here, and it's intelligent, efficient, and exciting. Now let's wrap up with a summary of the book review. Learn AI-Assisted Python Programming. With GitHub, Copilot and ChatGPT is a comprehensive guide that unearths the potential of artificial intelligence in enhancing Python programming. The authors, with their extensive knowledge and practical approach, introduce us to tools like GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code generator, and ChatGPT, a natural language processing model. These tools are not just buzzwords, they hold the power to revolutionize the way we write code, making us more productive and efficient. This book goes beyond the ordinary to provide practical examples, best practices, and even touches upon the ethical considerations of using AI in programming. By embracing AI-assisted programming techniques, we can elevate our coding skills to new heights, exploring untapped possibilities in the realm of software development. In summary, learn AI-assisted Python programming with GitHub. Copilot and ChatGPT is a must-read for anyone interested in enhancing their Python programming skills with AI. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.